Welcome to HiTech. Before you start learning HTML, it's important to understand why you should learn HTML. Let's explore the reasons behind learning HTML. The first point is foundation. HTML is the basic language for creating web pages. HTML serves as the fundamental building block of web development. If you want to learn web design or delve into web development, it is the initial step. Simply put, it is the first step towards web development. The second point is structure. HTML defines the structure and layout of content on the internet. By using HTML, you can create tables, headings, paragraphs, lists, and containers. As much as possible, you can create your own design or structure. Simply put, HTML provides the structural foundation for a web page, defining the hierarchy of elements such as headings, paragraphs, lists, images, and more. The third point is universal. All websites use HTML, making it a universal skill for web development. Every website on the internet relies on HTML. It is a core technology that underlies the presentation of content across various browsers and platforms. So the fourth point is easy to start. It's beginner-friendly and easy to grasp. This means that it's made in a way that is friendly to beginners, and you can understand it easily. HTML is designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible for beginners. Its syntax is relatively simple compared to other programming languages. This is about HTML, a language used to create websites. It is made in a way that is easy for people who are just starting to learn. The way you write HTML, its syntax, is not very complicated, especially when you compare it to other programming languages. So, it's a good choice for beginners who want to build websites. The fifth point is gateway language, acts as a gateway to other web technologies like CSS and JavaScript. HTML often serves as an entry point for learning other web technologies like CSS, cascading style sheets, for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. Understanding HTML is crucial before delving into these advanced technologies. The sixth point is essential skill. Knowing HTML is essential for anyone entering the web development field. Proficiency in HTML is considered a fundamental skill for anyone pursuing a career in web development. It lays the groundwork for understanding how web pages are structured and presented. The seventh point is job opportunities. Many entry-level web development jobs require HTML knowledge. Employers often seek candidates with a solid understanding of HTML for entry-level web development positions. It's a prerequisite for building more advanced web applications. The eighth point is control. Provides control over how content appears on a web page. HTML gives developers precise control over the structure and organization of content, allowing them to create visually appealing and well-organized web pages. The ninth point is no cost. It's free to learn and practice. Learning HTML doesn't require any financial investment. There are numerous free resources available online, making it accessible to anyone interested in web development. The last point is empowerment. Learning HTML empowers beginners to create and share content on the web. Acquiring HTML skills empowers individuals to create their own web content, whether it's a personal blog, portfolio, or a small business website. It democratizes the ability to publish information on the internet. So, HTML is not only a foundational language for web development, but also a key skill that opens doors to a wide range of opportunities in the field. It serves as a starting point for anyone looking to dive into the world of web development.